Shameless self-promotion.
Thank you to our panelists for your insight and recommendations today.
Thank you, Brian.
Well, I think we'll all be going out dining tonight, so thanks for all of those recommendations and thoughts. This has been so much fun. As we close, I invite you to continue the conversation of food over more food, coffee and cookies in the lobby. And before you leave today, be sure to make your reservations to sign up for the next week's fabulous lineup. Tuesday, December 13th, to hear Michael Moritz. Wednesday, December 14th, Brian Toll as part of the Harrison Smith Forum on Civic Engagement. And top it off with December 15th with CMC's Jingle Mingle. Please help me thank the Columbus Dispatch for sponsoring today's program. And our panel, Rich Terapak, Steve Stover, John Christensen, Shelley Mann, and our moderator, Brian Lindemood. Thank you for being here and enjoy the afternoon.